Hello, I'm Paula Espinosa. Um, I'm studying with Brother Rice. And I can say from this week, I can share about my experience during these 7 weeks. I can say like I didn't know about selectors. I knew, but I didn't know how to use it. And I can see a big progress in this case, how everything can be easier and faster, and we can avoid like the repetition in the code. I can see one of those advantage in using selectors for the same for the the SCSS. I can see how we can create variables, mixing and nesting can make the code easier, and how to create this with the CSS make everything like faster. I can mention about our last topic for this week, and I'm impressed how the responsible like the website is so much is so good. With a few lines, we can create a huge change in our website, and I like that. It's like basically how functions work and how everything can be better. Um, the last thing I will mention is about my Zen Garden group. We are working in our project. We're still like doing meetings every week, and we start with the layout, and we are working in base of that. I guess it's a big project. It's a good experience to gain working as a team, and also like implement each of the topics that we are learning every week. I think I can evaluate my progress between 3 to 4, because I'm still like doing or fulfilling my assignments, and also learning during the process. Okay, thank you so much, Brother Rice. I hope this video helps a lot, and that's it. Thank you so much.